Hey folks, Dennis here with Las Vegas Worm Farm, and what we're going to do is we got this little spot picked out here. We're going to show you how to put in an in-ground worm bin. Now, this is one of those things that I always recommend for everybody if they're trying to get worms, because it's just the easiest, best, fastest, and laziest way that I've found to be able to keep things growing in your garden, keep it happy and healthy. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to use for this is we're going to use a simple shovel, and we're just going to dig down until we have it deep enough to be able to put that bin in.
Turn brown. The daisies just stared as they wilted down. The neighbors all whisper, what's she gonna do? But I've got a number, I've got a clue. Call the worm guy, call him today. Turn that dirt to gold. Go the Vegas way.
Alrighty, and the next thing we'll do is we'll take our basket and we're gonna see if it fits. So we want it right at the level of where the soil is at. So in this case, we can go a little bit deeper.
Little wrigglers in the night, silent saviors in the ground. They're the heroes.
Looks like I've got quite a few roots in there, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. Alrighty, I think I'm happy with that. We're right at the soil level, and we're going to go ahead and backfill the rest of that. So.
The worm guy, call him today. Turn that dirt to gold. Go the Vegas way. Castings will save you. The answer's alive. Call the worm guy.
Alrighty, now that we've got the bin in the ground, the next thing to do is add some of our food scraps. So we've got some leaves here that were going bad. We're gonna throw those in. We got some leftover kale that we didn't get to. And the last thing is our cucumbers. It got too cold, so they stopped growing. So we've got some of those, and we'll just go ahead and throw that in there. Alrighty, let's go ahead and give you guys a peek at what that actually looks like. All right, so this is what we have right now. And now we're just gonna add our worms in. Now it is daytime, right? These are a bag of worms. We would put these guys in here, but we don't wanna put them in during the daytime. The sun's still out, so they're not gonna like that. We're gonna wait until the sun goes down to put those in. What we really do is we just take our worms and we would just put them in there. Now you can put them in at the top, you can put them in at the bottom, either or you can just dump the entire bag. Right now this is going to settle over time, and that's okay, but we have one more thing that we need to do. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to add bedding. We're going to add some wood chips on top. These wood chips are going to be a roof for the new worm bin that we've created. It's going to keep everything nice and moist, keep everything protected from the elements. How much do you have to add on? An inch or two is fine. And the next thing I'll tell you guys is every time we come back to feed, because this will settle, we will add food, and then we will add more bedding on top. And that's it, guys. This is how you keep your in-ground worm bin. And one more thing to add is sometimes you won't be able to find this. So what you can do is if you have kids, get them to write on a big rock, or you can use a plate and put it on top. And that will tell you exactly where the feeding station's at for next time.
Call him today. Turn that dirt to gold. Go the Vegas way. Castings will save you. The answer's alive. Call the worm guy. Let your garden thrive.